Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify event time ordering in Kafka with ksqlDB. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify event time ordering in Kafka with ksqlDB, start by ensuring you have Kafka and ksqlDB properly set up on your system. Open your terminal and begin by starting the Kafka and Zookeeper services. Once the services are running, open the ksqlDB CLI by entering the corresponding command in your terminal. Create a Kafka topic for your use case with the command Kafka topics create topic event _ logs bootstrap server localhost 9092 partitions 1 replication factor 1. Next, produce some sample events to the topic using the Kafka console producer. Each event should include a timestamp to represent the event time. Use the command Kafka console producer topic event _ logs bootstrap server localhost 9092 property parse.key equals true. Input your events in the format key, timestamp, message. After producing events, open a new terminal window and start the ksqlDB server. Connect to the ksqlDB server using the command line interface /bin/ksql/http:// Now, define a stream to consume the events from the Kafka topic by using the ksqlDB command create stream event _stream event. Query the stream to see the ingested events with the command select * from event _stream emit changes. To verify event time ordering, you'll need to create a derived table that aggregates or sorts the events based on their timestamps. Use the command create table ordered _events as select message event _time from event _stream window tumbling side. To view the ordered events, execute the command select * from ordered _events emit changes. Examine the output to confirm that the events are displayed in the correct chronological order. If required, adjust your event timestamps and rerun the process to see how different timestamps affect the event order. This method allows you to visually verify event time ordering with ksqlDB and Kafka effectively. Documentation and further examples can provide additional context for advanced use cases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.